by MyEcon's Black Friday Super Sale. MyEcon, America's leader in financial education and affiliate marketing, is allowing members to get started for just 95 cents. MyEcon markets financial education products that empower members to generate more cash flow and attain financial success. Our foundational product, the Financial Success Membership, includes some shifting strategies and financial software, which empowers associates to maximize taxes, eliminate debt, build great credit, and grow investment income.
You might be thinking, how can income shifting help me attain financial success? When you lower your taxes, eliminate your debt, improve your credit, or grow your investments, you are literally shifting cash flow into your bank account. Cash flow that would have gone to the IRS, your creditors, and other investors. Think about what an additional $1,500 or more in monthly cash flow could do for your budget. You could pay off debt quickly, build investments faster, and enhance your lifestyle.
Associates increase their personal cash flow using the strategies and earn business income referring the membership to other people. MyEcon's business income system is powerful and automated because videos and technology do the heavy lifting. Associates send educational videos to prospective members or post them online. Videos like this one are playing thousands of times daily on the internet. The videos explain the strategies and income opportunity to prospective members. Millions of people are online right now looking for income opportunities and financial solutions.
The system is also lucrative. Some associates earn extra income in their spare time, while others earn high six-figure incomes. The videos explain everything, but live online and offline training is also available. MyEcon associates are teachers, pastors, coaches, retirees, and entrepreneurs. MyEcon is for everyone.
Every time a new member enrolls, you earn upfront weekly income and monthly residual income. You earn up to $48 on new enrollees and up to $13 monthly residual income on active members. Imagine 25, 50, or even 100 new members enrolling on your team weekly. Top associates earn thousands of dollars in weekly commissions and monthly residual income.
Getting started is straightforward and inexpensive. Simply enroll in our Financial Success Membership, which includes our Build Great Credit System or Minimize Taxes strategy, our debt elimination software, our Cash Flow Manager app, and the opportunity to earn great affiliate income, referring the membership to other people. You can get the entire membership for just 95 cents to start. Yes, you heard that right. During MyEcon's Black Friday Super Sale, you get started with the entire membership for just 95 cents and then $39.95 monthly starting 30 days later. You have no long-term obligation and nothing to lose. Sign up today and start making and saving money immediately. Listen to what others are saying about MyEcon.
Hi, my name is Bonnie. With this program, I was able to remove $67,000 in student loans, $100,000 in medical collections, and 31 negative items from my personal credit report, totaling over $200,000.
Since being part of MyEcon, I've been able to cash flow six figures part-time without stopping my current job. I've also been able to increase my credit score from a 520 to an 804 in less than a year.
By sharing this opportunity, it has allowed me to become a six-figure earner before the age of 40. I was also able to raise my credit score from a 400 to a 700 by using the DIY credit program. That allowed me to remove over $50,000 of my own personal debt, where it allowed me to get approved for my first home. It also allowed me to get approved for my mom's condo, and I purchased my first dream car.
I've cash flowed over $500,000 from the comfort of my home. I enjoy a 100% debt-free lifestyle. I get to travel the world first class at a discount. I've also been able to increase my credit score to over 830.
We've also cash flowed over $1.2 million. We got a credit score of 800, and we have an investment portfolio of $348,000.
Since joining MyEcon, we've both been able to enter the 800 credit club, and as a result, we were able to purchase our home at a great deal, and we're doing the remodels all cash. As a result, we were also able to cash flow over $340,000, leave our corporate jobs, and create a full-time income from home. We also became investors for the very first time, and we're looking forward to helping so many other 9-to-5 employees get on track to doing the same thing or better.